Welcome back to Sir D YouTube channel. Today, we are going to solve this exponential equation on the board. So we have e raised to x minus 4 e raised to negative x plus 3 equals 0. To solve this equation, first, we need to rewrite this as e raised to x minus 4 over e raised to x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, now next is to multiply both sides of the equation by e raised to x. Okay? The purpose is that this denominator will be cancelled after multiplying both sides by e raised to x. Now we have e raised to x times e raised to x. Copy the base e and add the exponents x and x. So that will be 2x minus. So e raised to x will be cancelled. Minus 4 plus e raised to x times 3 is 3 e raised to x. Now, 0 times e raised to x is 0. Okay, now we need to rewrite this first term as e raised to x and raised to 2. Okay, plus 3 e raised to x minus 4 equals 0. Now, this equation is perceived to a quadratic equation. So, particularly in the expression e raised to x. Hence, we can let k be equal to e raised to x. Now we have k squared plus 3k minus 4 equals 0. Now, we need to solve for the value of k. Notice that this quadratic equation is factorable. So we need to look for two numbers whose product is negative 4 and at the same time, the sum is 3. Okay? What are those numbers? Those numbers are positive 4 and negative 1. Okay? 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4. 4 plus negative 1, that is 3. Okay? Now, using the zero product property, either k plus 4 is equal to 0 or k minus 1 is equal to 0 or both factors are equal to 0. So we have k is equal to negative 4 and k is equal to 1. Okay? Now, since we let k be equal to e raised to x, let us solve the first equation. And then later on, we will be solving the second equation. So we have e raised to x equals negative 4. Now, we need to take the logarithm both sides of the equation. We have ln e raised to x equals ln negative 4. Now, we need to bring down x and multiply it by the logarithm of e or ln e. So ln negative 4. Okay? So we know that ln e is equal to 1, right? This is 1. So we have x equals ln negative 4. Okay? Of course, we cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. So that is undefined. Of course, we raise e to any real number, the result is always positive. So we cannot get the logarithm of a negative number. That is undefined. So this solution is extraneous. Now, let us consider the other equation or solution. We have e raised to x equals 1. Okay? Take the logarithm both sides of the equation. Now we have x ln e equals ln 1. Okay? Now, ln e is 1, right? Because ln is the logarithm of base e, right? So this is what? 1. Because logarithm of e to the base e is equal to 1. So this is x equals ln1 is of course equal to 0. Okay? Because e raised to 0 is equal to 1. So we have a logarithm of 1, the base e is equal to 0. Okay? Now, the solution to this equation is x is equal to 0. Okay? You can check if that is really correct. E raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any non-zero number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this is 1. So minus 4 plus 3 equals 0. So our answer is correct. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.